Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 3rd of January, 2018. I'm James Spann. Frigid air stays in place through Friday. Winter weather problems not too far away to the south and east. And next chance of precipitation will be Monday of next week. Let's check things out this morning. The trough is sharpening up again. A disturbance coming down the backside, helping to sharpen that thing up, and that's going to spin up a major Atlantic storm today. That's a radar here early this morning about 5 o'clock, and you can see a few echoes on the western side of the state, and there might be a snowflake or two there, but a lot of that will never reach the ground because the air is so dry. But check this out. This is the radar down to the south coming out of Tallahassee. Wow, a winter weather mess. Freezing rain, sleet, some snow falling down there. Winter storm warnings in effect. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Not as cold this morning because of clouds. It's 19 for Haleyville and Decatur, 20 at Cullman, Birmingham at 25. Around the region, Louisville, Kentucky, 9. But again, the number's not quite as bad as recent mornings, but tomorrow morning we go back in the teens as some of the very cold air moving into the northern states will be dropping south again. And temperatures here stay way below average through Friday. Check the watch warning map. Look at that. Winter storm warnings for the areas in pink. It includes Tallahassee and Lake City, Florida, Valdosta, Brunswick, and Savannah, Georgia, Charleston, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, Wilmington, North Carolina. Wow. That's the HER model depiction of the mess down there early this morning. And again, a lot of that is freezing rain in places like Waycross in Valdosta, Georgia, Lake City, Florida, the northern suburbs of Jacksonville, Florida. But obviously with cold air in place over much of the country, no big thunderstorm problems today. Maybe some thunder on parts of the California coast and the Atlantic coast of Florida. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Big numbers for the Pacific coast. And you can see also some big numbers hugging the Atlantic coast of the United States, and much of that's going to be in the form of wintry precipitation. Now, where we are, the amounts are a little over 1 inch, and this is through Wednesday morning of next week, and the bulk of this will be Monday. And it will be rain, not snow or ice, thank goodness. So let's check modeling. This is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. There's the trough sharpening up again. That surface low begins to develop east of Jacksonville. And just messy. This is the HER model today at 3 o'clock Eastern time, showing maybe a lot of snow for parts of the eastern half of South Carolina. Be a very interesting day to be in Myrtle Beach, Hilton Head, or Charleston. But again, for us today, quiet, partly to mostly sunny with a high around 40 degrees, like a tropical heat wave. Tomorrow, the big bomb is off the New England coast east of Long Island. They could see blizzard conditions. That's going to be a big problem for some people with heavy, wet snow and winds almost gusting to hurricane force. There's a closer look at that thing, 964 millibars. Wow. And kind of defining the rain-snow line in Massachusetts will be kind of tough between Boston and Cape Cod, but whatever, that's going to be a big mess. But again, for us, tomorrow will be colder, windy at times, the high I'd say between 32 and 35. So again, colder than today. Sky should be sunny. This is Friday. Friday morning will be cold, mid-teens. The high Friday in the 30s. The sky will be sunny. And Saturday, again, we start the day in the teens, but the high should be around 40 Saturday afternoon. The sky will be sunny. And then Sunday, we're dry. We warm up to near 50. The sky partially sunny. Rain to the west. And that rain moves in here Monday. And again, thermal values all support just rain, with a high Monday in the low 50s. And again, rain amounts maybe around 1 inch in spots. And then Tuesday of next week, we're dry. And really, this is suggesting no cooler air. This would suggest highs in the 50s if this is right. And then this is a week from today, Wednesday the 10th, troughing on the eastern seaboard. 1040 high begins to drop in. We should turn colder with highs dropping back in the 40s if this is right, but clearly next week will not be as cold as this week. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Friday of next week, the 12th, troughing to the north, and that's close, but that's got rain coming through here. So this is suggesting the rain could change to snow over parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. But the European says no. It's radically different. Same day, Friday the 13th. It's got as dry as south wind and rain, maybe some thunder off to the west. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Next week, highs mostly in the 40s, and beyond that, highs around 50. Toward mid-month with lows in the 30s, so I think clearly we can say this is going to be the coldest week of the month and probably of the winter season around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.